To establish a search box in Excel with conditional formatting, select the cell where you want to conduct the search. Navigate to the Insert tab, choose a rounded rectangle shape from the Illustration section, and insert it. Return to the Insert tab, access Online Shapes, and search for a magnifying glass. Select the magnifying glass, compress the picture, and customize its appearance. Go to the Developer tab, click on Insert, and select the text box from ActiveX controls. Create a text box, right-click, go to Properties, and specify the linked cell name for the search bar. Select the table where you want to apply the search functionality. Go to the Home tab, choose Conditional Formatting, and click on New Rule. In the New Rule window, select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula bar, enter the formula starting with an equal sign. Type search. Open the bracket, click on the cell chosen for the search bar, add a comma, and input the column header's cell names after the $sign and before the ampersand. Then go to the Format, click on Fill tab, select the color you want, then press OK. Then again, press on OK tab to complete this procedure. Then search what you need from this table. The words that you type in your search box, they all highlighted in the whole table. Hide the text box border by changing the effects in the Properties under the Developer tab. Now select the search box and remove its color and writing color. It shows that here is no search box. Because we can use the search bar so easily,